Hello, my name is Amir Woods, Student Success and Community Engagement Specialist with the College of Education. Today, I will walk you through our website and how to make an appointment with me. First, please make sure you visit the College of Education website. Once you're there, you will then click on the Current Student tab. Please take note that you will need to be a current student in one of our programs to make an appointment with me. Once you're there, you will then click on Student Success Specialist. From there, you will see the information on my webpage. I do encourage you to review the information located so you can get better acquainted with the services I provide and additional campus services. Once you're here, you will then make an appointment. Please select the button here, Make an Appointment, and then from there you will be redirected to your page for the Navigate website, where you will log in with your student account credentials. From the Navigate homepage, you will then have an option to select appointments or make an appointment highlighted right here. Once you select Make an Appointment, you will have the option to select what type of appointment you would like to schedule. From here, you will then select Other Services. For the service type, please make sure to scroll down to the College of Education Student Support. From there, you will see the three options listed to meet with me: Campus Resources, General Inquiry, Scholarships, and Financial Resources. Once you select on the service, you will then have the option to pick a date and time that fits your schedule. From there, you will click on Find Available Time. Once you have made your selection, you will then see the list of dates, and then you will have the opportunity how you would like to schedule to meet with me. You have the option to make in-person or virtual or online appointments. You also have the opportunity to add any comments, and you have the option to receive reminders via text or email. Once you hit schedule an appointment, you will then have the opportunity to meet with me. I do recommend once you're on that page to confirm to make sure everything is correct and accurate. Thank you. I look forward to meeting with you and supporting your academic goals. Take care and go Titans.